Had either of you heard of Guillain Barre syndrome before this?
I'd never ever heard of it.
GBS, or Guillain Barre syndrome, is an autoimmune disease characterized by a person's immune system damaging parts of the patient's own nervous system.
Went down to the bathroom and my legs didn't feel quite right, and I go back to bed, and then I get up and was checking our tablet where we got cameras in our cabin barn for checking heifers, and I dropped it. I pick it up, I didn't think much, and go back to bed. Next morning, get up and was going to pour my orange juice, and it hit the floor, and my fingers were numb.
When he first came in, he was having much more difficulty swallowing, and his strength was greatly diminished compared to where we see him today. He had a peg tube and was receiving formula feedings for all meals.
You know, you had to step back and think about it a little bit, and it was just, let's do it, and you take one day at a time.
I was blinking for communication because I couldn't move anything.
The treatment that worked the best was the plasma exchange. They originally were going to do 8, but once they noticed that he was responding to that treatment, then they decided on 10.
He's able to grab my hands, give me a firm squeeze, pull and push.
There's still not much strength in them, but my arms are twice as good as they were when I came here.
And so it was very encouraging. Each day, you took one day at a time. Each day you looked for something that he didn't do the day before.
Full recovery may take several years, and unfortunately there are some patients with Guillain Barre syndrome who will have permanent lasting weakness or numbness or neuropathy following GBS. But the good news is that 2 to 3 years following the onset of symptoms, people with Guillain Barre still report improvement.
They give me a lot of exercises.
Yeah. Worked you pretty hard, haven't we, these last few weeks?
Things are getting better.